Most make money with AI videos are hype. They promise you Lamborghini money for zero work. That is a lie. This video focuses on practical steps, not flashy hype. I'm going to show you a simple, repeatable workflow using just ChatGPT and Canva that can realistically get you to around $1,000 a month with digital products. No crypto, no dropshipping, just simple math. If you can follow instructions, you can build this. Let's build the workflow. Step 1 is validation. Do not, I repeat, do not try to invent a new product. You want to sell what people are already buying. I look for boring products, resume templates, wedding checklists, social media content calendars. If a shop has 5,000 reviews on a $10 item, that is a six-figure product. We aren't going to copy them. We are going to enter that market with a better version. Step 2, we need the content. We are going to use ChatGPT as our product architect. Let's say we are making a content calendar for real estate agents. You don't ask ChatGPT to write a book. You ask it to build components. I ask for 30 days of post ideas formatted in a table. Boom. In 30 seconds, you have the raw material that people are willing to pay for, because you saved them the time of thinking of it. Step 3 is the factory. Open Canva. We are not designing from scratch. Search for a template that matches your vibe. Now we copy the brain, ChatGPT, into the beauty, Canva. Paste your content in. Change the fonts to something premium. Change the colors to a clean palette. Here is the secret. Once you make one template, duplicate it. Change the niche from real estate to fitness coaches. Ask ChatGPT for new text. Paste it in. Now you have 2 products. This is how you scale. You cannot sell a file. You have to sell the result. Use Canva's smart mockups to put your digital file onto an iPad or a printed sheet. This makes it look tangible. Upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Your title needs to be keyword heavy, not calendar, but real estate social media content calendar 2025. Price it between $9 and $19. This is the sweet spot for impulse buys. Now, here is the math. To hit $1,000 a month, you don't need a viral hit. You need volume. If you have 10 products in your shop and each one sells just 1 copy every 3 days, that's 100 sales a month. At $10 profit per sale, that is your $1,000. It's not magic. It's volume. This takes work to set up. But once it's up, it runs while you sleep. That is the only passive income that exists. If you want me to build one of these products live in the next video, comment boring money below. Subscribe so you don't miss it.